Hello, everybody. This is Val.
This is how we do it. I'm gonna fry me up some plantains. Hey y'all, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I'm like I said, I'm just gonna fry me up some plantains. And while you're watching this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, that everything button. I just cut them into 3 slices. And I'm gonna just put them in the skillet. And throw the butter in there. And let them cook on both sides. Now let's check in and see how things are coming along. Okay, can we turn it, y'all? Oh, we broke it. So that's all right. It's all going in the same place. Goodness, they mighty heavy. Okay, that's what I end up doing, y'all. I'll let it fry on the other side. And that's all it is to frying plantain. It's just like it says. You use vegetable oil, fry, plate, and eat. Let's put them over here. You cannot get a piece with the camera. I just pick it up and bite it. Nice and sweet. I didn't tell you, get a really ripe plantain that's already turned dark. Don't use the green ones.